Hey guys, Richard here, eBike Reviews and Adventures. Hey, we're on an adventure today. We've got Emma right here. We've got Ron, you've seen on my channel a lot, my buddy Ron. His son Randy. We've got Joe and Carla and their daughter Samantha somewhere in Blake. Yeah. So we're gonna go for a ride today and thought we'd bring you along and show you some of the adventure because it's gonna be, it should be fun. Yeah, let's see what happens. You guys should have got here 45 minutes ago.
First one.
You didn't hear me. If it takes you 45 minutes to load, 45 minutes early might be appropriate there, Joe. He's not hearing it today, is he? He's just like, no, I'm not in the mood, Richard.
No, that's why I told him, hey, you might want to bring your own car.
That's funny. Show you some of the bikes that we got going on today. I think we've seen this one before. Yep. Yeah. Ooh, I almost tripped over a brute. What?
We got 5 here and 2 in Wisconsin, so I don't know.
Look, a couple more is not going to hurt. All right, I've got the Big Sur over here. Ron's going to be Ron's ride broke yesterday, so he's borrowing the electric X-Peak 2.0. Emma's riding the Magicycle Ocelot 2.0, and Randy is riding the brand new Velotric 2X full suspension bike. Sweet ride right there. Yeah, that's what everybody's riding. I don't know these name brands. I don't even recognize them, so I really can't talk about them. Guys, look how fat I look in this. We just come to the sad realization. We forgot our action camera. Yeah. Because we forgot to charge it last night, so this morning we said, oh, it takes like 15 minutes to charge up, so we stuck it on the charger. Then got busy, then got distracted when Ron and his son showed up. We were hanging out visiting, then we decided we were gonna leave. Had the car packed, ready to go. Forgot the action camera. So all video footage here forward is gonna be using the phone while I try to balance it while we're riding along. So yeah, we'll try to catch some interesting shots for you though.
No, all I did was use 2 front buttons to turn it on.
Whew. Guys, I'll just show you what we're looking at here. This is called the celery fields here in the Sarasota area. We're gonna go around this big old hill on the back side, come back around. And a couple of us are gonna ride the hill all the way up from the visitor center over there on the right. Yeah, but kind of cool. Kind of cool. Water break. You taking a bath, Carla?
Yeah.
Who are we missing? Are we missing somebody? Joe and Carla? Oh no! Carla didn't make it. There's a helicopter over there. Somewhere here close. Yeah, that's probably it right there, yeah. All right. Woo. Yeah, I don't care to hear what's going on inside there. Take mine off too. Emma, I think I bumped something on my camera. It's all washed out. Can you fix that?
Washed out.
Yeah, we may have to stop it and start it again.
Yeah, because that middle one is all sand, and so that's gonna be an easy one to. Once you get a little awkward, it'll be easy to dump.
Not chancing it, Ron says.
I'm too old. Older and wiser.
That's the key. He's wiser, so he knows better than to attempt the hill. I'm still debating. I don't know. Oh, any last words?
Nope.
All right, buddy.
Good.
You got it. Oh, Blake, if you don't make it out of the parking lot, dude, you better not try it.
I didn't make it out of the parking lot. That tire, I think I got to put it in higher gear, to be honest.
Oh, look. Oh, he's spinning that up there, too.
I got to go in a higher gear.
All right, there goes Randy. Randy's going to give it a whirl. You going for it, Randy? Go for it. Oh, there goes Blake. So Blake's taking the right route. He's going to make it. Randy didn't make it too far. Hey, Blake is charting his own path up there. It's probably the smarter thing to do. That's probably a smarter move. What's Randy doing over there? He's going to go at an angle and try to... No, that bike's just not powerful enough. Is it the bike or the legs? Zero? Why would you do that? He's trying to ride up this hill with 0 pedal assist. He left it in 0. He didn't have any pedal assist. He left it in 0. Randy. No, Randy. Now he's doing it. Here comes Joe.
Don't come down the middle, man.
It's, I know. He is.
I wouldn't do that. Randy make it?
Looks like it. He's on the other side of the tree. I can't tell. Is he going to lose it?
Come down that middle. Come down the side.
Here comes Blake. Nicely done there, Joe.
All right.
Good job.
I got one more bike to try.
Go ahead. Oh, 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 Blake almost lost it. Oh, ho, ho, ho. Randy's taking the safer route. He's saying like, no, I'm staying out of the sand, buddy.
That's the way to do it, Randy. Watch this salt, though.
Nicely done. Nicely done.
Going up 0?
0?
Yes.
Was that a mistake, or did you just think you could
I
do
hit
it?
it by accident.
You thought you were Iron Man.
I did. I can't breathe.
Take it easy. Take a breath. Any words of wisdom for our viewers?
Try this one.
If you're gonna be dumb, you gotta be tough.
Ooh, if you're gonna be dumb, you gotta be tough. Hey, there he goes. He's taking another one.
I thought they weren't gonna go down like the sandy side.
Yeah, well, you know, bravery calls, and
Yes. Hey, as long as you're having fun, I guess.
that's what it's all about, having some fun.
Yeah, I got to go down. I'm short.
That's as short as it'll go with this particular seat
probably
post.
what I need.
All right, Blake.
There you go.
Fantastic going up.
It's already turned on. Let's get it out here in the...
I'm more interested
street.
in the pedaling part, to be honest.
Yeah, yeah, that's fine.
Let's try this one. See how
What's the weight of it? About
Put
60
it in
pounds?
low gear. See if you
No, it's
spin
going to
it
be
right here.
about 80 pounds or so.
80?
Yeah. So let's go out here and I'll show you real quick what to do.
Did you not have the boost on when you went up?
So right now it's in 0. So
Right.
you're going to get nothing out of the motor. It's strictly
Okay.
your manual power.
Right.
So if you want to start out like that, you
Okay.
can.
Yep.
If you, then when you want to feel the motor, press up here and down here. So that changes the 0 to a 1. And it goes all the way up
and
to
then
5.
I'm now on the motor.
Now you're getting help out of the motor.
I still can pedal.
But you can still pedal.
Oh, so
You're going to feel it.
there-
You're
so
going to,
there's-
you just don't have to pedal as hard, but you'll still have to pedal.
But there's a point where you don't pedal at all, or you always have your feet on the pedals, I guess.
You'll always have your feet on, and you can always pedal unless you want to use the throttle, and you can hit the throttle right here, and it's going to take
I
off.
see, yeah.
Yeah.
So that's how you go forward.
Yeah.
Okay, otherwise, if even if you still want to pedal, but you just need a little help, it's this thing here, right?
Yeah, up and down. So that's
and down.
down, that's up. So
Okay,
I'll
I
leave it
don't-
on 0 right now, just so you can feel it manually.
That's where
I would
0?
step through. Yeah, it's on 0 now.
Yeah, I've never had a step through before. This is going to be a challenge on its own.
Yeah, and it's a little tall for you still. The
It
seat.
is?
Well, it looks like it might be a little tall for you. Once you sit on the seat, it's going to squish down a little
All right,
bit.
I'll just go through the parking lot if you don't mind.
Yeah, just go through the parking lot circle.
All right.
Now when you're ready for the motor, just push up that up button and it'll give you a little power.
You're trusting.
So because of the channel that I have, I teach a lot of people about e-bikes and stuff. I used to have them come into my home. It turns it on or off.
He's on electric.
Not sure. He started out on 0. He started out on no electric.
Are you on electric now, or?
I hit it once. So to get rid of it, I hit it down.
Yes.
So you have to.
Some sunglasses don't allow you to see it.
No, so one more, am I down now? Or?
Yeah, you're in 0 now, so you got no power. Did you try it with power?
I tried it once and twice, yeah. It really makes it easier, but you're
It does.
using your battery at that point, clearly.
Yeah, but it's a big battery, so you'll go a long ways on it.
It
I can't see what I'm doing.
Oh, that's good.
Got these two chained up. He's got a really long cable. He's going to champ all 4 of those. We got these guys going over here getting chained up. We're all good. Woo! Enjoying the ride, Emma? Carla, is the ride okay for you?
Oh yeah.
Yeah? You guys enjoying it?
Oh yeah.
Handles a lot better on paved trails.
Yep. Emma.
Oh.